Today we'll be working on strengthening and stretching the tibialis anterior muscle. This muscle is responsible for pulling the foot up and in. A common pathology involved with the tibialis anterior muscle is shin splints. So for our first exercise, we'll start with a resistance band. You can either use a table leg or a fixed object anywhere in your house. To start, we'll take the resistance band and wrap it around the front portion of our foot, pulling all the slack out of the band. Next, we will pull up and in with that foot 3 times. For our next exercise, we'll be using body weight only. If you have trouble balancing, find a table or something you can keep your balance on. For this exercise, we will lift our leg and begin to rotate back and forth. You may do this up to 8 times per leg. Next, we will stretch the tibialis anterior. To do this, you can either use a resistance band or a towel. We'll take our left foot and cross it over our right knee, wrap the towel around the front portion of the foot, and then pull in and up towards our torso. You can hold it for 3 seconds, then relax. Do this up to 3 times per foot.
So today we're going to be working on stretching and strengthening the glute max. The glute max is your major buttock muscle, and it's also a prime mover in hip extension. So the first exercise we're going to do to strengthen the glute is going to be a lunge. What you're going to want to do is take a step forward, a large step forward. Perfect. And during the lunge, you're going to drop the back knee so that you're bouncing on the heel of the forefoot. Good. Hold it for a few seconds with a neutral back. Come back up and alternate legs. You could do this holding the lunge for approximately 3 seconds, alternating between 8 reps on each side. Our second exercise is going to be a single leg glute bridge. Have the patient lay flat on the mat with both legs pulled up and the feet planted. You'll have them then extend one leg completely flat in front of them while they proceed to lift up into a glute bridge, keeping the back on the table. They can come back down after holding it for 2 seconds and alternate sides. Next, we're going to stretch the glute max. So sitting with your legs straight out in front of you or extended, you're going to bend one knee and cross it over the other. Pull the end of the knee into your chest while stretching the glute max in the back. You can hold this stretch for 30 seconds on each side and repeat 3 times each side.